At the start of last year, Samsung announced a multi-year agreement with Qualcomm for high-end SoC systems for smartphones. Despite this partnership, Samsung continued to develop its own Exynos chips alongside. There's a new rumor circulating from a leaker on X that might disappoint people who aren't fans of Samsung's Exynos chips. The rumor suggests that Samsung is planning to use its own Exynos processors for the entire Galaxy S25 series. This means that the upcoming Exynos 2500 chip could be powering these phones, based on what we've seen from Samsung's past choices. That means every model of the Galaxy S25, no matter where you are in the world, will use Exynos chips. However, for the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7, they will exclusively use Qualcomm Snapdragon chipsets, probably the 8 Gen 4. As for the more affordable Galaxy S series, they'll have a combination of chips from MediaTek and Samsung in 2025. The Exynos 2500 is anticipated to be impressive for several reasons. 1. Reports suggest Samsung has a dedicated team to optimize the next-generation Exynos chip. 2. This time, the chip is expected to be tailored specifically for Galaxy phones. 3. The upcoming flagship Exynos chip will utilize Samsung Foundry's second-generation 3nm fabrication process. 4. The Cortex X5 CPU core from ARM is rumored to be faster than CPUs in Apple's A/M series chips. While these improvements could lead to significant enhancements in Exynos chips, it's still hard to confirm if the Galaxy S25 lineup will exclusively use them. Since these devices are still far from being launched, it's wise to take this information with a grain of salt, especially because it hasn't been confirmed by any other sources, whether they are rumors or not. Even if all of this turns out to be true, we should remember that we still don't know exactly what the Exynos 2500 will be capable of. There's a chance it could even surpass the Snapdragon 8 series. In the mobile world, we've seen unexpected advancements before, so it's not impossible. However, it does raise questions about why Samsung would choose to use Snapdragon chips exclusively for its foldable phones if the Exynos 2500 does indeed turn out to be competitive or even superior. This strategy might seem puzzling, especially considering the current split between Exynos and Snapdragon in the Galaxy S24 family. The mid-range Galaxy S series from Samsung will use a mix of mid-range Exynos and MediaTek Dimensity chips. It's interesting to note the absence of Qualcomm parts from this series, as Samsung has typically favored Qualcomm over MediaTek in the past. However, this preference has shifted in the last release cycle, enabling Samsung to incorporate Exynos chips into more mid-range devices. The debate between Exynos and Snapdragon chips has always been a hot topic among smartphone enthusiasts. After facing criticism for a series of disappointing releases, Samsung made Galaxy fans, including ourselves, happy by exclusively using Snapdragon chips for the Galaxy S23 series. However, this year, Samsung reintroduced Exynos chips to the non-Ultra variants of the Galaxy S24. Although the Exynos 2400 marks a significant improvement over previous Exynos chips, it still falls short of its latest Snapdragon counterpart. Further enhancements are needed to bring Exynos chips on par with Snapdragon processors. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.